The roots of Clan Munro dig deep into the fertile soil of the Highlands. Their ancestral lands, known as Ferindonald, lay on the northern side of the Cormarty Firth. The very name, derived from Fearainn Domhnuill, speaks of the Gaelic heritage that forms the backbone of the clan's identity. The fertile coastal strip alongside the firth and the river valleys leading to the uplands around Ben Wyvis were their home. From its inception, Clan Munro was entwined with Scotland's history of safeguarding its sovereignty. Ancestor Donald, the founder of Munros of Foulis, earned his lands by aiding Malcolm II against Scandinavian invaders. The clan's dedication to the nation remained steadfast through pivotal battles like Bannockburn and Halidon Hill. Clan Munro's influence extended beyond the battlefield. They served in public offices under Stewart monarchs, reflecting their commitment to their homeland's prosperity. Their support for Mary, Queen of Scots, during her tumultuous times in Inverness underlines their unwavering loyalty to their chosen rulers. The annals of Scottish history are marked by turmoil, and Clan Munro navigated these tumultuous waters with remarkable integrity. From the civil wars to the Jacobite unrest, they stood steadfastly by the government's side, illustrating their commitment to peace and stability. Foulis Castle, a timeless emblem of Clan Munro's heritage, weathered both destruction and restoration. Mentioned in documents from as early as 1491, the castle bore witness to the clan's journey. Its storied walls tell tales of resilience, family bonds, and the cyclical nature of rebuilding after adversity. As the world evolved, so did Clan Munro. Military service abroad, participation in global conflicts, and a sense of identity rooted in their Highland heritage continued to shape their narrative. Through it all, they held on to their pride and traditions. Today, Clan Munro stands as a living testament to the enduring spirit of Scotland. Their history, marked by bravery, loyalty, and unwavering determination, is a bridge connecting their past to the present. The legacy continues, carried forward by each generation, as they honor their roots and the stories etched into the tapestry of time.